stopped and they have to restart. Start with my cousin Avinash, Vice Avinash Reddy. Now, think about it. The MLA of the place or the MP of the place have a responsibility to ensure that there is no crime, to ensure that investigations are done quickly. So if a leader in your place has been killed, it's duty bound upon the leaders to follow up on the investigation. Not once did any of these people try to follow up and find out what has happened. Investigation is happening, not happening. Avinash అప్పటి వరకు ఒకసారి కూడా యాజ్ అ మెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్లమెంట్ మీ ప్రెడిసెసర్ అయితే ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఆ పొజిషన్లో ఆయన హత్య చేయబడితే ఏమవుతుంది ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ అన్న ఆతృతతో కొంచెం ఎంక్వైరీ చేసి త్వరగా చేయాలి ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ అని నాకు తెలిసిన నా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ షేర్ చేసే బదులు సిబిఐ వాళ్ళు తెలిస్తే నాకు వేరే పనులు ఉన్నాయి, ఇప్పుడు నాకు తీరిక లేదు, నాకు టైం ఇవ్వాలి, ఒక 5 రోజులు నోటీస్ ఇవ్వాలి బిఫోర్ ఐ కెన్ కమ్. Why would you do that? You should be anxious to find the culprit. Instead of that, you're dilly-dallying and wasting time. So eventually, he gets in front of the officers and the officers said, ask him to come back again and again. And then, తర్వాత మనకు అందరికీ తెలుసు కర్నూలులో ఏమైందో. Have anybody seen anywhere in the country where CBI goes and waits for 2 days, ఒక ఊర్లో wait for the suspect to come to them? If they've gone to question, you question. If they've gone to arrest, you arrest. Neither. They ask local police for assistance. Local police? Where is their assistance? I don't know. And after 2 days, they return back empty-handed. And I'm not telling you anything new that is not there on public record. It is all on public record what I'm telling you. Okay? So, is that even heard of anywhere? You know what the person is. It's different when the person is absconding. Here the person is, you know where this person is, but you're not even able to go near the person. మొత్తం తమాషాడ కర్నూలులో the entire hospital where his mother was staying, nobody, no other patients could go in easily, no other family members. That street was a street full of hospitals. ఎవరికి యాక్సెస్ లేదు హాస్పిటల్స్ కి. So after this drama for 2 days, then he's supposed to come for questioning. He still doesn't come for questioning, but he gets an anticipatory bail. Okay. After the anticipatory bail, based on the instructions of the Supreme Court, the CBI files the charge sheet. Now, again the investigation stops. If you look at the CBI statements itself, they say that they have to do certain investigations. They've given it in writing that Avinash Reddy has not cooperated. They need to question him further. They give you a list of points that they need answers to. They state that there are other people who know about the death of Vivekananda Reddy prior to it become public knowledge, when the first person, Krishna Reddy, had gone to the house. We need to question these people. But none of that is done. In fact, I'll share you the press brief in which I've extracted the statements of CBI that was put twice in their counters. Once on 24th of May 2023 and the second time on 25th of May 2023, just pass that around, where the CBI has clearly stated that they want to do further investigation. Now, the charge sheet doesn't mention any of their findings in this aspect. In fact, in the charge sheet, they've stated that, hinted that there's still more to it, but they've closed the investigation. They don't want to investigate further. How in the hell can this happen? You state that you have a witness who has stated that he was aware of the death of Vivekananda Reddy around 5:30, and that's none other than not a small person, an ex-chief secretary of the state of Andhra Pradesh, combined state of Andhra Pradesh, has given a statement stating that he is aware of the death of the murder by none other than the current chief minister of the state of AP, who informed him about the death around 5:30. Now, isn't it necessary for that for the CBI to close those loops? Unfortunately, not done. ఎందుకు చేయట్లేదు? ఎందుకు ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ చేయట్లేదు? ఎందుకు క్లోజ్ చేశారు? ఇప్పుడు June 30th ఛార్జ్ షీట్ ఫైల్ చేశారు, March 15th ఇప్పుడు ఇన్ని నెలలు ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ చేయకపోతే, ద లాంగర్ యూ డిలే ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్, ద మోర్ డిఫికల్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టు గెట్ టు ద బాటమ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టోరీ. They need to do this. విలువలు, విశ్వసనీయత పదే పదే వింటుంటాం. మాట తప్పను, మడమ తిప్పను, నా అక్క నా చెల్లెమ్మ. ఏమైంది ఇవన్నీ? ఇప్పుడు పదే పదే అంటుంటారు. మా నాన్న విషయంలో ఇవన్నీ మనకు గుర్తురావా? ఏమైనా మన విలువలు? ఏమైంది చెల్లమ్మ? నాకిచ్చిన మాట ఏమైంది? ఇంకోటి అంటుంటారు, దుష్ట చతుష్టయమని. సరే, అపోజిషన్ పార్టీస్కి మీరు ఏమైనా పేర్లు పెట్టండి. వివేకానంద రెడ్డి గారిని చంపిన దుష్టులను వదిలేస్తే ఎట్లా? వాళ్ళని వదిలేయడం కాదు, వాళ్ళకి ఇంకా ఒత్తాసు పలికి వాళ్ళకి సపోర్ట్ చేయడం ఉంటే తప్పు కాదా? మంచికి చెడుకి యుద్ధం అంటారు. ఇక్కడ ఏది మంచి ఏది చెడు? చంపిన వాళ్ళని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేయడం మంచిదా? నా దృష్టిలో కాదు. ఎస్, మంచికి చెడుకు యుద్ధం జరుగుతుంది, బట్ ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ మై బ్యాటిల్ హియర్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ ఫైటింగ్ ఫర్ ది జస్టిస్. ఓకే, ఇంకా ఒకటి అంటారు, రాష్ట్రంలో పేదలకు పెత్తందారులకు మధ్య యుద్ధం అంటుంటారు. ఇక్కడ ఈ పెత్తందారులందరూ పేదలు విట్నెసెస్ అందరినీ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ చేస్తుంటే అక్కడ మర్చిపోయారా ఏమేమి నడుస్తున్నాయో? It's been 5 years this fight is going on. This fight for justice is going on. My wish, my hope is that if I get justice in this, this will help more people to be ready to fight for justice if they are faced with adversities. that will hopefully change the society. That is my wish, that is my hope. What happened to the doctor in Vizag during COVID time? Who is fighting for his death? What happened to the driver of the MLC whose body was thrown at his doorstep? Who is fighting for them? Why are nobody fighting? Because people believe that there is no hope, and I want to bring that hope back. I still believe in the system. In spite of all the adverse situations, we have gone this far, which means there is still hope. And I want to all of your help. I want the people's help. ప్రజల సహకారం కావాలి నాకు. ప్రజలు ఎలా సహకారం కావాలి అంటున్నాను, ఎలా చేయగలుగుతారు వచ్చే ఎలక్షన్స్ లో? You can show that in your vote. I want you to help me. Irrespective of all the parties, I want all the people supporting, leaders supporting every party to support this for the cause. This is not politics here. I'm asking your support for the cause of justice, for the cause so that there will be a change in the society. With that, I thank you all for your support. Absolutely.